Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, that is Unique Eduvision. Here we're gonna talk about nouns, number. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal. But when we talk about singular and plural noun, it comes under number. Singular noun. What is singular number noun? A noun which refers to one person, place, animal, thing is called singular noun. For example, if we talk about one person, that may be boy or girl. If we talk about place, that be park, city, animal, cat, dog, thing, pen, pencil. And now it's the time for plural number noun, a noun which refers to more than one place, animal, thing, person. If we talk about more than one person, more than one place, thing, animal, then that comes under plural nouns. Example of person, plural, as a plural is boys, girls. Place example are parks, cities. Things are pens, pencils. Animals, cats, dogs. This is the definition of singular noun and plural noun. Now, rules. There are some rules of plural noun. There are some rules that we have to follow while making the singular noun to plural nouns. So, if we talk about bat, so we can make it plural by adding only s. It becomes bats. Cow, we add s, it becomes cows. Chair becomes chairs. But always putting s is not comfortable for all the words. So there are some words that demand something else. So here's the rule for that. If the nouns are ending with, that singular words are ending with s, ss, sh, ch, x or o, then we have to add es to make that word plural. For example, bus, at the end of the bus is s, so we have to make it plural by adding es. It becomes buses, buses. Then glass. In glass, there is a double s at the end, so we have to add es to make it plural. Then wish, as same we have to use es, it becomes wishes. Church, at the end of the church ch is there, we have to put es, it becomes churches. Fox, it becomes foxes by adding es. Potato, potato is end with o, so you have to put es to make it plural. But some words are there which we can say as the exemptions or exceptions to that rule. For example, photo. Photo is also the word that ends with o, but we make it plural by just adding s. As same with radio. Radio is also ending with o, but we have to put only s to make it plural. Next is noun end with fe. Then how we can make it plural? In that case, we have to put ves at the end. For example, leaf. Leaf is end with f only, so we have to make it leaves by adding ves, by removing f. So leaves, leaves, it becomes half, half, half. So it becomes halves, halves. We remove f from the end and we are putting ves. Now life, life. At the end fe is there, so we have to put lives, lives. Here's also some exemptions are there. Chef, for example, chef is there. Chef is also ending with f, but we are not making it plural by adding ves. It just become plural by s only, adding s at the end. Roof, roofs. another rule is nouns end in consonant plus y. So we have to make it plural by adding IES. You can see that in army I underline MY. M is consonant here, that comes before Y, so we have to put IES. So army becomes armies by adding IES. Body is D is consonant before Y, so we have to use IES. BODIES, bodies. Now nouns end in vowels. If before Y there is any vowel, so you have to put only S. For example, in boy, before Y there is a O. Is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. So O is a vowel, so you have to use S only to make it plural. So it becomes boys. BOYS. Same with toys. Now the time comes when there is a no rule to apply. For example, child, there is a no rule to apply. It just becomes children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Here your mind strike with mouse, it become mouses. No, mouse plural is mice. Woman plural is women. WOMEN, women. At the last of the rule, we will discuss that there is a no another form, means they are actually in their plural form. Singular or plural, they used as it is in the sentence. Like sheep. Sheep is as same as in singular, as same as in plural. Spelling, and there is no use of S, there is no use of ES. So it remains same. The same with the trousers, news, scissors, jeans. If we talk about a single thing, as a singular, we have to use these words. So we have to use trouser as it is. Trousers as it is. We don't remove S from the end. Okay? These are the rules to make singular noun to plural. So come on the back exercise. Some practice session. Now the practice session is, you have to change the words into plural form. Desk, desks. Desk is simple, you have to use S only, desks. Dress, dresses. You have to use ES because it's ending with double S. Brush, SH is there, you have to use ES at the end. The same with bench. CH is there, so you have to use ES at the end to make it plural. Bench, benches. Beach, beaches. Dish, dishes. Radio. The exception I told you earlier, that radio is ending with O, but we have to make it with S only as a plural. So roof, roofs. Army. There is a consonant before Y, so you have to use IES, ARMIES, armies. Shelf, shelves. Window, windows. Wife, wives. Pen, pens. Box, boxes. Glass, glasses. Boy, boys. Boy, boys. So now the B part is little tricky. A is like easier. Now is the tricky one. To change the word by using a suffix. Ox, oxen. You have to change the spell. Oxen it becomes. You are not using S or ES to make it plural. Calf, calves. Roof, roofs. Shelf, shelves. Child, children. Family, families. Photo, photos. Mouse, mice. I told you about mouse and mice earlier. Now the C part, that is, you have to change the bold nouns into plural form. In this, I just write the bold letter words. Okay? Child, it becomes children. Woman, women. Scissors, there is a no change. So I mention here there is a no change. Photo, photos. Simply use S to make it plural. Furniture is same in singular as same in plural. So there is a no change in furniture. House, houses. News, no change because it's same as in singular and same in plural. Knife, knives. K-N-I-V-E-S. Cat, cats. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Dog, dogs. This is all about your nouns number. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.